Expression quiz agreement. It tests comprehension of common English expressions used when talking about agreeing, disagreeing, or making agreements. Read each sentence and chose the answer with the closest meaning to the words in italics. Number 1. Kim and her husband don't always see eye to eye on political issues. A. Have the same opinion. B. Have differing opinions. C. Have various opinions. Answer. See eye to eye means letter A. Have the same opinion. Number 2. The two major parties are still at odds over tax policy. A. In total agreement. B. In total disagreement. C. In partial disagreement. At odds means it's letter B. In total disagreement. Number 3. We had a gentleman's agreement not to move into each other's territory, didn't we? A. A deal made by men. B. A legally binding contract. C. An informal deal based on trust. Answer is a gentleman's agreement means letter C. An informal deal based on trust. Number 4. After 3 days of meetings, we're still no closer to sealing the deal. A. Ending the deal. B. Adjusting the deal. C. Completing the deal. Sealing the deal means letter C. Completing the deal. Number 5. Their marriage was annulled by mutual consent. A. With neither party agreeing. B. With both parties agreeing. C. With one party disagreeing. By mutual consent means letter A. With neither party agreeing. Number 6. You must get a university degree. Your mother and I are as one on this. A. In total agreement. B. In total disagreement. C. In partial disagreement. Answer is letter as one means A. In total agreement. Number 7. Unless we get it in black and white, we can't enforce anything they've agreed to. A. In monochrome. B. In writing. C. In written English. In black and white means letter B. In writing. Number 8. After reading the contract, she took issue with several key points. A. Asked about. B. Agreed with. C. Didn't agree with. Took issue with means letter C. Didn't agree with. Number 9. After agreeing to do business together, Ben said, "Let's shake on it." A. Show strength by shaking hands. B. Become friends by shaking hands. C. Seal the deal by shaking hands. Shake on it means letter C. Seal the deal by shaking hands. Last item, number 10. These days, governments and environmentalists are on the same page when it comes to global warming. A. Have similar views. B. Read the same reports. C. Write similar documents. Are on the same page means letter A. Have similar views. So this video ends here about expressions quiz agreement. Thanks for watching.